From childhood, we have heard that trees are our best friend, but in practical life, we did not see anyone who treats trees as their friends. Although they are the most valuable life source on the earth, they benefit every life form in a direct or indirect way, and the earth is connected to them to maintain a natural balance. We are discussing the reason why our friends need saving. They nourish us and protect us in many ways. Also, they keep our environment green and clean. So, it becomes our responsibility to repay them for the things they do for us by saving them. Besides, large trees are more beneficial than small ones because they capture more carbon, capture more water, combat the heat, filter greenhouse gases, gives shelter from heat and sunlight, etc. So, it can be said that we depend on them more rather than they on us. As we have discussed the benefits of trees in short, but here we are going to discuss them in detail. Plants and trees fight the climatic changes that are destroying the earth. They also filter the air that we breathe and absorb all the harmful chemical gases and odors from the environment. Also, they take in the harmful carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. They are good for the diversity of flora and fauna. They give us food, shelter, and many more things that we can't count. Besides, they never demand anything from us and also prevent soil erosion, water evaporation. Above all, they control and manage the effects of wind, sun, and rain. The human has become aware and serious about this issue and started doing the best they can do to save trees. The forest departments and government have banned the illegal cutting of trees, and they are going digital so that they can save paper, which will reduce the number of trees cut down for making paper. Apart from that, the forest area after cutting of trees should be replanted with new ones. Also, we should teach our children to plant trees and ask them to pass it on their friends and acquaintances. The least that we can do is to plant some pots in our home rooftops or garden and ask our neighbor to do the same. Also, if we see the removal of a tree, then we should inform the local authority about it to create awareness. Above all, strict laws should be made for people who illegally or without permission cut these trees for their own benefits. The various life form is able to survive on earth due to plants. If we remove plants from the earth even for one day, then the survival of man will become difficult. Besides, they are the source of water and fresh oxygen on earth. Cutting trees means destroying life on earth. So, the time has come that we to be responsible for the action we have done till now and start finding ways to save this green gold. Earth and the resources of Earth make life possible on it. If we were to imagine our lives without these resources, that would not be possible, as life cannot function without sunshine, air, vegetation, and water. However, this is soon going to be our reality if we do not save the earth now. The resources earth provides us with are limited. They are blessings which we do not count. Human has become selfish and is utilizing the earth's resources at a rapid rate. We need to protect them in order to protect our lives. This is so because man and all living organisms depend on the earth for their survival. To say that saving the earth is the need of the hour would be an understatement. All the activities of humans driven by greed and selfishness have caused immense damage to the earth. It is degraded it beyond repair. Almost all the natural resources are now polluted due to these activities. When all these resources will be under threat, naturally lives of all living organisms will be under peril. This is why we need to save the earth at all costs. All the other issues are secondary and saving the earth is the main concern. For when the earth will not remain, the other issues will go away automatically. Earth is the only planet which can sustain life on it. We do not have a planet B which we can move on to. This makes it all the more serious to save the earth and save our lives. If we do not take strict actions now, we will lose the chance of seeing our future generations flourish forever. Everyone must come together for the same causes as we are inhabitants of this planet firstly and then anything else. As all human activities are impacting the lives of other organisms, humans only need to take steps to protect the earth and its resources. A little effort will go a long way on everyone's end. Each action will make a difference. For instance, if one man decides to stop drinking bottled water, thousands of plastic can be saved from consuming. Furthermore, we can start by planting more trees to make up for the deforestation that is happening these days at a rapid rate. When we plant more trees, ecological balance can be restored and we can improve the quality of life. Similarly, we must stop wasting water. When done on individual levels, this will create a huge impact on conserving water. We must not pollute our water bodies by dumping waste in it. It is essential to save water, most importantly, as it is running out rapidly. In short, the government and individuals must come together to save the earth. We can make people aware of the consequences of not saving the earth. They can be taught ways and how they can contribute to saving the earth. If all this collective effort starts happening, we can surely save our planet Earth and make brighter Earth.